Hi guys, welcome to Smart Home Charge. Today we're taking a look at how to charge your electric car using a public charger. There's a few simple steps to take, so without further ado, let's have a look. Number 1. Check if you need an app. Some chargers use an app to activate the charging of your vehicle, and it's also the primary way that they enable you to pay. You might need to register an account and your card details, so it's really best to download the app in advance if you can. It's much better to do this than arrive at the charger, find out that you don't have a good enough signal to download the app, and then realise that you're stuck. The main public charging operators are Polar, Ecotricity, InstaVolt, GeniePoint, PodPoint and Shell Recharge. There are some others that I haven't named, so just have a look online to see who else there is out there. More chargers are including contactless payment as an option too, which obviously makes things easier, and in this case you won't need an app. Point 2. Use ZapMap. ZapMap is a brilliant app available on iOS and Android, and it shows all the public charging locations in the UK. It also tells you which connections are available at that location, as well as whether it's working or not. Well worth using. Every charger will be slightly different, but the basic principles are the same. Today we're using a Polar Rapid Charger, so let's take a look at what's involved. Okay, so I'm going to take you through how to use the BP ChargeMaster Polar charging stations. So, obviously you'll park up. There are two options. If you've got a Polar Plus membership, which you can get yourself online, and I think that gives you access to reduced rates for using these chargers, then you select Polar Plus. Or you can do it via contactless payment. Now that's the option that I would be using, but from here on in it would be more or less the same. Now the charger should tell you as well what the price is per kilowatt hour. So here it's 30 pence and there's a minimum payment of £1.50, so you can't spend any less than that. But I imagine if you're using a rapid charger such as this, you're going to be wanting to at least put in a fair whack into your car. Now you can see that there are 3 cables at this charger, so you'll need to check what cable your vehicle requires. So what chargers do we have here? So you've got CCS Rapid Charge, you've got CHAdeMO Rapid Charge, and then you've got, actually impressively, 43 kilowatt AC Type 2 charge here as well. So I've not seen that before, but that's really handy because not all vehicles have rapid charge functionality, so you might be required to use this. I think some of the Renault Zoes don't have rapid charge, so they won't have CHAdeMO or CCS, but they can charge up to 22 kilowatts, I believe, at AC, so that's really useful if you have that vehicle. Then it's a case of just taking off the charger that you need. So here you can see this is the CCS charger. This is the CHAdeMO charger. And then this is your Type 2 charger. And then you'll be able to play with contactless just here, which I think is so helpful. I really hope that they roll this out over more chargers across the country, because it's just going to make it so much easier. I hope that's helpful. If you've got any questions, then go to our website, smarthomecharge.co.uk. You might find your answers there. We've got plenty of guides, or follow us on YouTube, Twitter and Instagram. Thanks.